Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone actually powers and has enough battery to run a transfer. This prevents mid-copy corruption. Next, make a quick decision. If the screen works, enable USB debugging in developer options. If not, attach an OTG mouse or keyboard to unlock and enable it. Also eject any micro SD or SIM card now and copy those contents directly to a PC or card reader. Once done, connect the phone to your computer for the next phase using a reliable USB cable. Now you move into extraction. If USB debugging is active, use a DB, run a DB devices to confirm, then a DB pull for important folders like /SD card /DSIM and /data /media. If ADB isn't an option, boot to recovery, stock, or custom, and use its MTP or sideload functions to copy files. Manufacturer utilities often understand locked devices better. Try Samsung Smart Switch or similar. Throughout, copy visible media first, then app folders, and work methodically so you don't overwrite or miss critical directories. Finish by verifying backups. Compare file sizes and open a few photos or documents to confirm integrity. Make 2 copies, one local and one cloud, and enable encryption for sensitive data so it stays protected. When restoring, use the same backup method or manufacturer restore tools to preserve app data and settings. If you can't enable ADB and OTG control fails, stop and contact a professional data recovery service to avoid further damage. That's the single troubleshooting tip that saves chances of full recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.